What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I want to show you this mini wireless charging pad. So let's check out this Bazaardodo wireless charger, and it comes packaged like this. It's kind of like a watch or something, and we have a nice little mesh drawstring pouch. And here is the charger itself. And actually, what I was intrigued by with this one is the fact that it is very sleek and minimalist. So, comes wrapped up. And I'll tell you, this is probably one of the smallest, kind of most interesting looking chargers I've ever seen. It's like a glass plate here and kind of a cushion shape. You know, it's almost square with some nice rounded edges. It's got some really nice weight to it. This edge right here is, I don't know, like aluminum or some sort of metal on the outside, so it has nice weight, you know, kind of aluminum sheeting. You can see here silicone feet and the specs there, 2 amp max. What we have is also a really thin cord that comes off of it, and then your USB plug right there. So I'm going to just go ahead and plug it in. So this is just, I mean, it's so slim. You could put it almost anywhere. Now, I'm just going to take my iPhone 6s Max, throw it on here. Boom! Looks like that. No problem. Charges like a dream. I don't know, man. That is just really, really slim. I love it for how thin and minimalist it is. It's just not going to be in the way. You could use this on a desk. You know, to be honest, you could put this in like the center console of your car so that you have it, and you want to drop it into like some place really, really narrow. Charge your phone like that. I mean, that's kind of crazy, right? Super slim. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.